Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's unbox something new now. This is a smart bulb from Wipro, and let's see how it works. I have brought it from Amazon. So let's open the box and see. So this is the smart bulb, Wipro Smart Bulb Garnet 9 watts. It has LED and it is music in it. So change color with music, it's change colors with music. It has RGB lights, it has 16 million colors, it has brightness control, it has, you can set a schedule or timer. You can set to when you want it to switch it on, when you want to switch it off. You can set timer like it should light for 1 hour and so. And you can group devices, you can pay with many other light bulbs of this kind. So here they have given its B22 voltage is 220, 240, 50 hertz. Okay, so the price, oh my god, it's surprising. It's 2099, but I got it like 550 rupees only. So that's not true. Okay, so it works with the Apple Play Store and Google Play Store. uh, you can get the app from Apple and Google. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant. So you have to download the Wipro Next Smart Home app. So let's open it guys and see and test the bulb. Okay, you got a quick start guide in the box and the bulb. So it's a common B22 bulb. So let's plug this and check it out. So this is the Wipro Next Smart Home app here. Just go to it and you need to configure your smart bulb on this app. So I have already configured, and this is the bulb that is showing. I'll click on it, and you can see here you can change the colors. You can change any color of the bulb. You can increase the brightness, and you have also option to switch to white color if you want. And you can select this, and here you have different scenes like when you are sleeping you can select good night, and this will illuminate into uh, light that is good for sleeping. And this is for reading. For reading it will be very bright, and for working you have this, and leisure you have ocean. There are different effects guys, so you can try it out. And if you go here, there is a music rhythm, and this is the one which you can select, and according to the music it will change the color of the bulb. So next is the game, and it will switch to a game like pink color and give you different effect. And similarly romantic is there, and it will switch to romantic lighting. And here if you go, you can schedule the light. You can schedule it, when to sleep, when to wake up, and there is countdown rhythms, etc. And do not disturb is there, and I haven't tried this. And this is the default light. You can restore the memory, initial mode, customize, and everything. So that's it, guys. This is about the app for the Wipro RGB CW. So this is the app for the smart bulb. Okay, so I'll show you how the uh, lights is, using my camera. Let me show you. So this is green color. This is how it looks, guys. Currently it is purple color. Let me change it to different color. This is dazzling mode in the scenes, so it will change up to 3 colors: red, green and blue. So this is it, guys, about the Wipro Smart Bulb. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I have given the product information in the description. You can check it out. You can also buy from the link. Okay, guys, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.